today what we're gonna cook? We're gonna cook homemade quinoa noodles. Right? We're gonna make quinoa noodles? Yes, alright, now noodles. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. First, noodles, quinoa noodles. And I use this brand. They have everywhere in supermarkets now, and easy to find it. And 1 cup of quinoa flour, and half cup of tapioca, and cooking oil, and 1.5 cups of water. And let's add quinoa flour, tapioca, water, 1 cup. We need more half cup here. And we gotta stir. And now when we're done, we keep it to the side. Another tips, I'm gonna show you guys that cook this in microwave. I'm gonna brush cooking oil here. So we are making flour, because when we keep it for a few minutes, everything goes down to the bottom. Because I have to stir a little bit. About 1 ounce, because my tray quite big. To make sure that everything balanced, not too thin. Thing like this, and now we're gonna put it in microwave. I'm gonna do it 2.5 minutes. We come back to see when we peel our noodles out from the one in microwave. Have to let this cool first before we peel it out. Look at this, as you can see it. Oh la la, with our quinoa noodles. First one. And then when we put in a place, and we got to brush more cooking oil to protect this next one when we lay it here, not going to stick to each other. We're going to do more. We're going to put it in a microwave, and we do the first one, look really nice, and now we're going to do the second one. For microwave. The microwave it seems like easier than a steam. Let this cool until before you peel it. Soak with the water first before we use. Now our quinoa noodles is done. It's easy, simple. It's a healthy noodles, and you can make it in the microwave. It's very easy, simple. Stay happy and healthy. We will see you next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ